Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Use the Microsoft account tied to the subscription. Once signed in, open Services and Subscriptions so you see the active plan immediately. Make sure you know whether it's personal, family, or business because cancellation paths differ slightly. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step now to access billing. This early precision prevents wrong account changes and preserves receipts for refunds or prorated credits later. You'll now find the subscription entry under Services and Subscriptions and click Manage. Once there, choose Cancel or turn off recurring billing. The page explains refund eligibility and whether you can keep access until the end of the billing period. Read the prompts carefully, select the reason if requested, and confirm the cancellation. Make sure you save the confirmation number or take a screenshot. You'll need it for support or to verify prorated refunds. This step finalizes billing changes with Microsoft System. After canceling, check your email for the cancellation confirmation and note the access end date. Sometimes you retain features until the paid period ends. If you need files, download or move them now and remove 365 licenses from devices if switching accounts. If billing shows unchanged or access persists past the end date, contact Microsoft support with your confirmation details. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues, and if necessary, ask for prorated refunds or billing corrections while you still have your confirmation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.